This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Merriman Capital Summit in New York City 2012. Standing next to me is Charles Barclay of Olympus Pacific Minerals. Symbols OYM on the TSX and OTCQX symbol OLYMF. I'll give you those at the end again. Welcome, Charles, to SNNLive.
Thanks, Shelley, and thanks for having me on the show.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. Give me that view from the 30,000-foot helicopter that I'm sure you guys use. So go ahead, tell me.
Okay, well, Olympus Pacific Minerals is Southeast Asia centered. We have operations in the Philippines, East Malaysia, and in Vietnam. We started in Vietnam in 1996. We currently have 2 producing mines. We're producing 42,000 ounces for last year, and this year we're going to produce 65,000 ounces.
With gold?
Of gold, yes, of gold. And we are hoping to peak in Vietnam at around about 100,000 ounces per annum. At the same time, we have a very marvelous project in East Malaysia, Sarawak. It is the BAO project. It's about 40 minutes from the capital city of Kuching. We have 2.5 million ounces in resources at the moment. We're hoping to issue our new updated resource table within the next month, and we're expecting substantial increases. The project itself is in feasibility at the moment, and we're hoping to go into construction in 2013 with production in 2014.
You're talking some very, very big numbers here with the price of gold where it is. Am I correct?
Well, certainly, you know, we've come from a small background. We were an explorer in 2005. We got into production. We've got these fabulous projects, and we need to bring them to book. And yes, if the gold price is going to continue on its way up, we will be talking very big numbers indeed.
So what's your background?
I've been a miner all my life. I started in South Africa back in the 1970s, and just worked my way through the industry.
You know, it's very, very interesting when it comes to these places of far off, and you know, you don't hear a lot about mining and minerals in those far off countries other than maybe China in Southeast Asia. How are the infrastructure laid out in these particular areas?
Well, as you know, Vietnam has been a growing country for a number of years now, and we're centered in Vietnam around the city of Da Nang, which is the 3rd largest city in Vietnam. I can say that over the last 6 years it's grown immensely. It's now over 1 million in population. The infrastructure is excellent, and they're looking forward to the future. So roads aren't built for now, roads are built for the next 30 years, and that sort of thinking is going into it. We couldn't wish for better infrastructure in Kuching, in Sarawak. The city is literally 25 minutes away from the project. We have tar-sealed roads running past the whole project. We have an international airport, a deep-sea port, and we have the benefit of the English language being widely understood. It's also an old mining area, so people are looking forward to us generating more revenue from mining again.
And jobs.
Oh, and jobs for sure, yes.
So, from your standpoint, what is the capability of expansion in these areas?
Well, we certainly believe that with our current projects that we can move into mid-tier of around about 300,000 ounces per annum over the next few years. I guess the room for expansion is unlimited, really.
And do you have, you know, you sound like you got into Vietnam pretty early. Are you getting followed in?
Well, in fact, no. We're the only gold producer in Vietnam, and there are no gold producers in Sarawak at the moment. So.
Wow! So you're standing alone.
Well, yeah. Hopefully not that bad.
Okay. What is your website?
www.olympuspacific.com.
OlympusPacific.com. Ladies and gentlemen, symbol OYM on the TSX, OLYMF on the OTC. Ladies and gentlemen, Charles Barclay, thank you for coming on to SNN Live.
Thank you, Seri.
Good to have you.
Good day.